One of the best things about owning smartwatches is that you can use the Find My Phone feature. As the name suggests, using it you can find your lost phone in your house. Obviously both the phone and smartwatch needs to be in the Bluetooth range and they both need to be connected. Fitbit 2 comes with the Find My Phone feature. Using it you can locate your smartphone whenever you are in a pinch. Simply open the app drawer and look for Find My Phone app and open it. On the next screen, tap on the Find Phone option and your phone should start making some noises. However, this feature doesn't work every time and it can be due to various issues like Bluetooth not being enabled on your phone, proper permission is not granted, or the Fitbit app is not running. I mean, if you don't open the Fitbit app every now and then, chances are it is not working in the background. Also, some smartphone brands are aggressive in RAM management and don't allow apps to run in the background. So if your phone offers any settings to make an exception for an app to run in the background, then make sure you grant it to the Fitbit app. This should fix any issue that you might be having with Find My Phone feature on your Android or iOS devices. So guys, that was it for today. Hopefully you found the video useful. If you did, then you know the drill. Press that like and subscribe button. See you here next time.